You've probably heard of contract manufacturing, but do you know what it means and why it's such an important service? We'll break that down in this video. Contract manufacturing services support companies as they move from a lab-scale formulation to a finished, scaled product. At smaller volumes, variables like formulation ratios and material inputs are relatively easy to manage. As production increases, those same variables must stay consistent across larger batches and more complex systems, often with tighter requirements. This is usually where teams begin running into limitations such as maintaining consistent mixing across large volumes, controlling heat and reaction rates, or ensuring consistent results from batch to batch. These challenges become even more important when the process needs to perform reliably for regulatory requirements or product performance. Contract manufacturing teams, like Polysciences, step in at this stage. Our teams are skilled at taking a formulation that's already been developed and producing it in larger volumes in tightly controlled environments. Our capabilities cover every step, including processing, packaging, and testing. The facilities and systems we have in place enable scaling to go smoothly, without our clients having to develop large-scale production capabilities in-house. We're able to minimize variability, complete analytical testing to ensure specs are met, and integrate packaging within the workflow. The result is that products are scaled with consistency and traceability and are delivered in formats that are ready for downstream use.